The Malaysian government says cuts in fuel subsidies announced yesterday will have little impact on inflation. But Malaysians are not convinced, fearing that goods and services will become more expensive.
Angry and disgruntled, these motorists form a long queue on Monday evening to fill up their tanks before the price hikes came into effect on the stroke of midnight. It's the first increase in Malaysia since December 2010. Prices are up 20 cents per litre for octane 95 petrol and diesel. Prime Minister Najib Razak, speaking after chairing the first Fiscal Policy Committee meeting, said the increase was needed to improve Malaysia's fiscal position. The government, he said, would otherwise have spent over $7.5 billion just this year alone on fuel subsidies. This, he said, could not continue with foreign capital outflows, rising government debts, and a shrinking current account surplus that fell from $2.7 billion in the first quarter to just under $800 million in the second quarter. With crude oil prices set to rise further, the minister in charge of economic planning, Abdul Wahid Omar, felt the timing was right.
The savings will be required to manage our fiscal deficit and to be able to make the subsidy more targeted and to be able to invest into improving public transport, including the MRT.
Most of the savings will be distributed as cash aid to soften the blow on the lower income group. Still, many motorists were unhappy.
Everything will go up. See, everything relies on petrol price. Once the petrol price goes up, everything goes up.
Already some are bracing for more hikes to come.
Of course, with escalating problems in the Middle East, prices are going to go up and we have to face it.
Now, market analysts say Mr. Najib has made the right move. It's better late than never. But having rolled back the subsidy is just the first step, they say. All eyes are on whether Mr. Najib will announce the implementation of the goods and services tax during the tabling of the budget on October 25th. Melissa Go, Channel News Asia, Kuala Lumpur.